like.
We're working together on this, so we cut a hole inside of the toast.
Yeah.
And we poured the scrambled, like we scrambled up some with eggs. We all did. We kind of just like we poured it in. All our ideas together, and then we all kind of had the idea at once.
And then you did some scrambled eggs.
Yeah.
With some Spam.
Yeah.
And what's the green here?
There's a lot of mint, and we accidentally got